Hey guys, this is Coach Taylor. We're going to run through this basketball project that you guys are going to start on Monday. So first, we're going to review mean, median, mode, and range, and box and whisker plots, just so you guys remember. So when you're looking at the mean, you're looking at the average. So you'll add all those numbers up, and then you will divide by the total numbers given. Next one is median. Median, you'll put the numbers all in order from least to greatest, and then you will work your way into the middle to find that middle number. If there are two numbers in the middle, then you will add those two numbers up, divide by 2 to find your middle number. Okay. Mode is the one that's listed the most. Range, you're looking at the largest number minus the smallest number. All right, box and whisker plots. You need 5 pieces of information to do box and whisker plots. You need the minimum and the maximum. You need the median, which is the middle. And then you'll find Q1 or the lower quartile, which is the middle of the lower section. And then you will find the Q3 or the upper quartile, which is the median or the middle of the upper section. Okay. And remember, when you're looking at from minimum to the lower quartile is worth 25%. Lower quartile or Q1 to median is worth 25%. Median to Q3 or the upper quartile is 25%. And then Q3 to the max is worth 25%. So each section of that box and whisker plot is worth 25%. Okay. And I think that should be all that you need before you jump into it. So you'll get 2 things on Monday. You'll get this, which is your project. It has all of your data and the information that you need. So you have some information on there about LeBron James. You have some information about Carmelo Anthony. And then you have some information about Rajon Rondo. And then you'll have some questions at the end. So in order to make this thing easy for you, I went ahead and set up a PowerPoint template that you guys will get. So all you'll need to do is when you pull this up, you will go up here to File, and then you will click Save As. And then you can save it as your own. That way when you submit it through Schoology, then that'll all be taken care of. Put your name and your class period. First thing that you'll do is you will look at the information for LeBron James, and you will use that data in that box to find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. Okay? So you're going to do that for each one of the players. So you'll do that for LeBron James. You'll do that for Carmelo Anthony. And then you will do that for Rajon Rondo. All right, next you will do a box and whisker plot for each one of those players. So once you find the mean, the median, the mode, the range, and you have that data put in order from least to greatest, then you'll find the minimum, you'll find Q1, you'll find the median, you'll find Q3, and then you'll find the maximum. So those are all 5 of the pieces of data that you need to make your box and whisker plot. So once you get the information for the box and whisker plot, then you're going to move down to each one and you're going to actually create a box and whisker plot. So what you'll do is you'll be able to move all this stuff to where it needs to go. So you may have to resize it a little bit, but you'll be able to move everything to make your own box and whisker plot. So even with your actual box, you can slide it, make it bigger, make it smaller. You're going to use the arrow to put on top of your box to show where your median goes. And then you have your lines that you can use for your actual whisker. Okay. So again, you'll resize this as needed to make your own box and whisker plot. Okay. If you have any questions about that, just let us know. All right. But it should be pretty easy. Have all the information there, all the materials that you need. Like I said, you just may have to resize it a little bit, and then we will see all your information on the previous slide. Okay. So you'll do the information for the box and whisper on there. Then you will do each one of the box and whisker plots. And then once you get down past that, you will have several questions that you'll have to answer about the data and the information that was there. Okay. So I am running out of time. If you have any questions, just let us know and we'll be more than happy to help. All right. Hope you guys have a good Monday.